Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here with very interesting recipe. It's mango kulfi. It's so impressive you can surprise your guest by making this kulfi. I'm sure it's gonna be everyone's favorite. Heat any wide vessel and pour milk. Now let us start making kulfi. Allow to boil. Keep on stirring in between, not continuously, just frequently, and reduce this milk until almost half. See, it's getting thick. Don't make it very thick. Now it's done. So now I'm gonna add sugar. Nuts powder. Add little milk powder to get thick consistency. Stir it well without any lumps. Cardamom powder. If you want, you can add vanilla essence or any flavor of your choice. Kulfi mix on ready. Now I'm just removing the top of the mango, and you're going to reserve this for use later to cover while freezing, so we require this, don't discard it. Now help of the knife, I am slowly marking into the flesh of the mango, and I'll use spoon on the end to scoop out the little pulp and seed of the mango. Now you can find some space over. I have kept a little bit of pulp attached to the skin because I want to have color contrast when I cut the slice of the kulfi. But you can empty the entire skin completely. Now I'm gonna fill the mix. Cover the top. I'm taking pot for the base. You can use any vessel. Fix the mango properly and put it in freezer for overnight. Once it's frozen, peel the skin and cut it into slices. As per your creativity, you can make like this with any fruit and any color contrast. Now the mango kulfi is all ready. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.